What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man, showing you guys what I've bought in the past and what I was able to sell these vehicles for, man. A lot more content coming for you guys very soon. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and notification bell, man. Back into the video, man. This was a 2010 Toyota Camry. Now, this was one of my worst purchases. I paid way too much for this car. I'm gonna just go ahead and say that right off the bat, guys. This was a 2010, like I said, and it had 160,000 miles on it. I think the problem with this car was the miles, man. You know, once you get to like 160 and stuff, it's still pretty decent. But you know, a lot of people I think that that's like a whole bunch of miles, which is, I mean, it is kind of getting up there, but you know what I'm saying. But anyway, let me go ahead and tell you guys what I paid for it, man. I paid $4,444 for this car. So 44 out the door, man. Way too much. I actually paid way too much and sold it for $3,900, guys. So yep, I lost $544 on this car. So this was one of my worst purchases. As you can see, the tires were not all good. Some of them were all right, but some of them wasn't all good. The alarm worked and everything. It was nice. It was clean on the inside and everything. It had a TV, you know, screen. But man, I just don't know, man. I just know I paid too much for this one, for it to have 160 on it, and therefore I actually showed this car like way too many times too. I think I showed it like 3 or 4 times before I sold it. So that's how I knew, like, you know, this was a horrible buy. But as you can see, guys, it was clean and everything, you know what I mean? Like, the car was good. It was just I paid too much. So you know what I'm saying? So when you guys out there, you know, buying and selling cars, just make sure you do your research, man, and make sure you know what you can sell a car for. And then you also got to take into consideration the time of the year that the car was, you know, that you're trying to sell the car to, because that was another thing. That this time, you know, tax time was over, and you know, I guess people didn't have a whole bunch of money and stuff like that. So yeah, man, this was one of my worst purchases, one of them. You know what I'm saying? But at least I was able to make most of my money back, guys, with the $3,900. I was, you know what I'm saying, grateful for that. But you know what I'm saying, that's going to go ahead and be a wrap for today's video. 2010 Toyota Camry, man. Sold it for $3,900 and purchased it for $4,444, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think about that. You know what I mean? So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry I'm stuttering so much. Hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys on the next throwback, guys. Peace.